Hi, also last week we went over how to convert a binary number to a decimal number. So when we were converting binary numbers to decimal numbers, we add up all the columns that had a 1 underneath it and ignored the ones that had a 0 underneath. So we added up the 128 in this example and the 16, the 4 and the 2, but we ignored the other column headings because we've got zeros underneath. When we're converting from decimal to binary, we almost have to do the opposite. Instead of adding, we take away. This is how you convert a decimal number, like 60, to a binary number. You follow the rules that are down there at the bottom where it says work from left to right, starting at the 128 column, then ask yourself one question. If the column heading is I'm just going to use my pen. If the column heading is less than or equal to the target, then we need to write a 1 and then do this calculation that says target minus column heading equals new target. If it's not, then we just write a 0. So this is our target at the moment. That is the number 60. Apologies for the shoddy penmanship. We're going to start at the 128 column and we're going to ask, well, is that column heading 128 less than or equal to the target? Well, it's not. It's actually greater than the target. So we need to write a 0 because we ignore these two columns here, these two rows here, and go straight down to this. Is 64 less than or equal to the target? Well, it's not. So again, we write a 0. Is 32 less than or equal to the target? Well, yes, it is. So the first thing I need to do is write a 1 and then do this calculation where it says working out. Well, our target is 60. And we need to take away the column heading that we just added 1 in. So take away 32. Again, apologies, doing this on my trackpad, which equals 28. And then 28 becomes our new target. And we start the process again. We start at the 16 column, and then we ask ourselves, is our column heading 16 less than or equal to the target, which is 28? Well, 16 is less than 28, so we need to write a 1. And then again, do that calculation where we take away the column heading that we have, which is 16, which leaves us with 12. Is 8 less than or equal to 12? Well, yes, it is. I write a 1 and I take that away as well, which gives me 4. In this instance, is our column heading 4 less than or equal to the target? Well, 4 is equal to 4, so I need to write a 1 again. So I write a 1 there and then take 4 away from 4. We all know that that's going to be 0, so that's when we know that our binary number is complete. And all we need to do to complete it on the grid is add zeros here. And there we go. The decimal number 60 is actually 00111100 in binary. That is how you convert a decimal number to a binary number.